Hey, so here is Refine Video and Photo Editor app. So to install it, just tap Get, and yeah, just tap Touch ID to install. And this app is basically helps you to create caricature, animate any photo, revive old photos, cartoonify yourself, all of that just to do in the one app, and also edit photos, crop images. So maybe you heard of Voila app or some like other viral app like Deep Nostalgia, Wombo AI. So this app just tries to combine all of that into one experience, which is pretty interesting. So that's how it works. You can cartoonify, you can use the filters you like, and you can use free version or paid version. Then yeah, if you want to avatarify or tunify or reface or create a caricature. So for example, if I select caricature, I need to upload a face photo. Yeah, as you can see, I also tried it with the so I can just try this photo. And there you have it. Then it's just caricature. I can also reface. I can also tunify. So that's fun. And then also avatarify my face. Friendify, aging, gender. So that's that. These are the options here. So super kind of fun. So hope that is helpful.